So this is new. Maxzina also sent me this. Got some straps, hardware. Comes in a nice case to store it in. We're not using it. So, as you can see here, this is a tailgate extender from Maxzina. A bit louder than I'd wanted. All right, they give you a piece of paper here that actually goes to a YouTube channel, YouTube video. That's all right. Okay, so it looks like the first thing we do, this is going to be installed on a there's no bed cover, there's no bed mat. Yeah. So what you're going to do is, you should have 4 of these, and you should have 4 of these. And essentially what you're doing is you're pushing this in here like this, and this is going to go into these holes here. Kind of like that. Creates a stud basically with the paper. We're going to do another one just below that. Same type of thing. You can see we just push that right down. You want to push it all the way till you're here. Okay. This one is going to be a little bit more difficult to get in. Actually, it was pretty easy. Okay, I think those are the right holes. We're going to take a bracket. You should have 2 of these, some of these nuts here. And so now we're going to repeat that for this side over here. We'll go ahead and prep our 2 pieces of paper here. Got one. I'm setting it up kind of like this, right? Vertical. That's how I'm setting this thing up. I don't think it really matters because you're putting it into circles. It just depends which direction you have it is how you're going to actually insert it in the hole, and then it's going to grab with that lip. So that is going to just kind of so. Okay. Got our next bracket here. Next set of nuts. Okay. All right, we're gonna get a wrench. It's a 1/2-inch wrench or 1/2-inch socket. You might want a little bit longer one. I'm just having a hard time getting on here. You just want to snug that down good. Should be plenty. Snug this one down. All right. So this will likely stay on before I get a bed thing. I probably will take them out so they don't lose them. But I do have a contact if I needed to get more of these, I could. All right, so that's that portion. We're gonna put this stuff down. And the next part here is the assembly of this. The actual gate. So this folds out like this. Pop this. This piece also folds out like so. And you're going to align these with the holes. There are 3 holes that you're going to align. And you're essentially going to add these shorter ones. And here you're just going to thread it through to the side. So the main one you want to make sure you get threaded in good is going to be your center one. So you're going to have this center one here you really want to get tightened on. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we are going to put some in on. Now we're going to do these longer ones with the nuts here. So you're going to have one here. So essentially what we're doing here is we're keeping this thing tight, straight here. Another one up here. Okay, just like this. They give you a nice little cutout right here so that these toggles fit in there really nicely. This one material, which is really smart. So, you can now flip it this way. And it acts as a bed tailgate divider here when it's in the closed position. So the nice thing about this is you just undo these things and you can fold this in, put it in its packaging and not use it at all. Or you can keep it in your truck. Obviously this is like this. It's going to want to bounce, right? So you can do 2 things. You can lock it down. Like so, in this top hole. Now it can't. It can still bounce, as you notice. So what they provide is they provide you with a little strap that you can throw underneath. They also provide some other doodads and stuff for different things. You see it's got, this is for when you close it together so you don't scratch. You got bumpers on both sides so you can mount it either top or bottom. And that way when you flip over, it's good. Let's look at how much extra space this gives you. If I stick my tape here, I'm going to take it to where the tailgate would sit. We're there. So this is how far things go back, right? So we're talking about you're gaining 16.5 inches. 16.5 inches there of additional space for your bed. So if we actually go all the way to the back of the bed, let's just take a look at what that is going to be. If we go all the way to the back of the bed, and let me try to get it on a boss on there. We're turning our 5.5 foot bed into an almost 7 foot bed. It's just under 7 feet. It's not 8 feet, but if you have 8-foot boards, now you can pop them on the top of here. You can tie them down using a ratchet strap that they provided here, or you can use the ones that Maxzina provided me before that are in the truck bed up there. And you can always use bungee cords, and you'll only have a foot of material hanging out here, right, with your tailgate down. So to me, that's a pretty nice feature. I like it personally. I've always wanted one of these. It's pretty nice. You can kind of get a look at what it looks like when you would be driving down the road from a distance. As you can tell, you're just getting about 1.5 feet more of space. And what's really nice is this thing can do two things. I want to show you something pretty cool about this one as well. So, not only does it lock down this way, say you are wanting to slide in something, a mattress, down the back of the bed. You can rotate it here. And they put a hole here as well. And look at that. And you can obviously put it on the other side as well for a little bit more stability. And now you can load your bed like this. And then once you're full, you can rotate it down if it's not longer than a thing. That would be the only thing. If you're putting something longer, it would make it more difficult to actually put it in. So because of this, obviously I can still come this way and I can click it. Oh! You see this? If the bed is open though, I can reach it this side and I can, look at that, it clears. Can you see that? Well, I was wrong. You can still use the ratchet straps. You just have to go up and over here to use it. Okay, I'm sold. I'm going to store these here so that this thing doesn't bounce around in the truck that much. Doesn't need to be tight. Just snug. And we're fitting there. Okay. So, next lesson learned there, right, is a couple of lessons learned on this was, first, make sure your bracket is the right side direction up versus down. And the second thing is going to be, make sure your bracket is aligned so you can get all your threaded pins in before you tighten them down too much. But once you're tightened down, right, it's going to fit, it's going to work every time. And as you saw, it's very easy to use this product. So I hope you get a lot of use out of it. We're going to keep it in the bed for now. But just in case you want to take it out, they make it pretty easy. You just keep the brackets on, don't remove the brackets. And you fold it up. And you've got this bag that you can store everything in. So that's my opinion, at least. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.